innovation. Every breakthrough in aerospace and defense begins with a challenge and the people bold enough to solve it. At iBase-t, we understand the weight of your business objectives, knowing sooner, acting faster, ultimately transforming the way you do business. But progress isn't achieved in isolation. It's forged in collaboration. Together with our customers, we pioneered MES and MRO for aerospace and defense, refining it side by side for the past 30 years. But this isn't just about technology. It's about insight, expertise, and a shared vision for success. From optimizing operations to harnessing the impact of critical high-value data, we're weaving a digital thread, turning the model-based enterprise into reality. And with the power of artificial intelligence, the goldmine of your shop floor data, will supercharge your manufacturing. Together, we form a powerhouse of knowledge and passion. Every connection strengthens us. Every insight moves us forward. Every collaboration shapes what's next. Let's build it together.